If I will ask you which equation you will prefer to solve, cubic or quadratic? Of course, our answer is quadratic. So let's convert this given cubic equation into quadratic equation. We will use substitution, and here we will substitute square root 3 equal to suppose u. So here also we can write u in place of square root 3, and in place of square root 3 we will write u square since u is root 3. So we can write our cubic equation in x cube plus 2ux square plus u square x plus u, and take this 1 to the LHS, we'll write minus 1 equal to 0. Still it is cubic equation in x, but it is quadratic also in u. Let me write u square x plus 2ux square plus u. Then we have x cube term with minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will take u common from these two terms. So I can write xu square plus 2x square plus 1 times u plus x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in u. Now we can use quadratic formula. So x is a, 2x square plus 1 is b, x cube minus 1 is c. And our formula is u equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. Remember, root 3 is equal to u. So we can write over here, this is equal to square root 3. Now we have to plug in all the values of a, b and c. So I will write here a equal to x, b equal to 2x square plus 1, c equal to x cube minus 1. So we'll write u equal to root 3 equal to minus b. So minus 2x square plus 1 plus minus square root of b square. So 2x square plus 1 whole square minus 4 times a is x, c is x cube minus 1 over 2 times a is x, so 2 times x. Now we have to expand 2x square plus 1 whole square. So we will write root 3 equal to minus of 2x square plus 1 plus minus square root of 2x square plus 1 whole square, 4x power 4 plus 4x square plus 1 minus 4x times x cube minus 4x power 4 minus 4x times minus 1 plus 4x over 2 times x. We will write here 2x, which will be equal to minus of 2x square plus 1 plus minus square root of. We will cancel 4x power 4 with minus 4 times x power 4. So there would be 4x square 4x plus 1 over 2 times x. Now this is 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is 2x plus 1 whole square. So we can write minus 2x square plus 1 plus minus square root of 2x plus 1 whole square, and in denominator we have 2x. Now we can cancel square root with a square, and we can write root 3 equal to minus 2x square plus 1 plus minus 2x plus 1, and in denominator we have 2x. We'll write here root 3 equal to, with plus sign in between, we'll write minus 2x square minus 1 plus 2x plus 1, with denominator 2x, and with minus sign we will write minus 2x square minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 over 2x. Minus 1 plus 1 will get over. We will take 2x common from the numerator. So we can write 1 minus x or minus x plus 1 over 2x over here. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. We will take minus 2 common. So there would be x square plus x plus 1 in the bracket, with denominator 2x. Now 2x will get over, 2 will get over, and we can write root 3 equal to 1 minus x minus x square plus x plus 1 over x. Now we have to solve two equations. One is linear, another is quadratic. So let's write both the equations over here. We'll write root 3 equal to 1 minus x, and second equation would be root 3 equal to minus of x square plus x plus 1 over x. So from our first equation, we'll take this minus x to the LHS, root 3 to the RHS. X would be 1 minus square root 3. So our first real solution is 1 minus square root 3. Let me write x1. Now we will cross multiply and write root 3 times x or x root 3 equal to minus x square minus x minus 1. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. So x square plus x root 3 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Or x square plus x is common. So we will write root 3 plus 1 times x plus 1 equal to 0. Again we have one quadratic equation. We will use quadratic formula once again. X will be minus b. So minus root 3 plus 1 plus minus a square root of root 3 plus 1 whole square will be 3 plus 1. It is 4 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 AC. Minus 4 times 1 times 1 minus 4 over 2 times 1, so 2. Now plus 4 and minus 4 will be over. We will get x2 comma 3 equal to minus root 3 plus 1 plus minus square root of 2 square root 3 over 2. So in total we have 3 real solutions. All the 3 solutions are real. Let me write here x1 equal to 1 minus root 3 and x2 comma 3 would be equal to minus 1 plus square root 3 plus minus square root of 2 square root 3 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.